Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day, start to your new year. I hope you made your 2023 New Year goals as well. Write them down and read them a lot, like throughout the year, and try to actually get your goals done. And write every goal that you want to try and achieve. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum was requested in the Telegram group. The trades are active already on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the BNB trade is set up. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technical for Bitcoin, and that trade from earlier today, Bitcoin already breaking out. Now it's at this resistance line, and you can see here it got perfectly held. This is the price of Bitcoin moving since yet the 31st, and you can see it's been moving this way. And you can see here that we opened the trade. That was the trade open point here at 16,500. This is the stop loss, this red one at 16,494, and this is the take profit up here at 16,630. And you can see here we broke out of that rising triangle as I talked about. The target will be the base of the triangle. So this distance here, and our stochastic is still heading up. There is good volume. This distance here is how much we should be moving. So the target will be 16,595, close to our take profit, but the actual big resistance is 16,630. So we're breaking out here on the hourly. On the 4 hourly also turning up as well, so we can get quite a run here. And let's go into the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, overbought, pulled back at that resistance and looking to break through 16,600. So that target, that trade is already active and still going on. I'll show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, under the video here, go down below, sign up to Bybit. In the description of the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. $30,000 worth of bonuses, but there is a limited time that you get that bonus when you trade on Bybit. So make sure you go down below, sign up. To get all the $30,000 of bonuses, you have to meet all the requirements on Bybit. The link is down below, so go down. It's a limited time to get that full $30,000 bonus. Let's get back in. So once you sign up, this is my Bybit trades. Bitcoin trade is up $60, 6%. It's a $19,536 trade. With 10x leverage, I used $1,000 margin with 20x leverage. And the Ethereum trade is a $20,400 trade, up 5%, $51. I used $1,000 on that trade as well. Those two trades are active. If you haven't opened a trade yet on Bitcoin, I would actually go long here because of this breakout. And what we're seeing here, one, we've got inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish pattern. Inverse head and shoulders work like this. So this is a head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, and usually it drops the distance of the head. The distance of the head. So usually the distance that you drop is this distance here, from here to here. That's a head and shoulders. That's a bearish pattern. We're seeing an inverse head and shoulders, which is the reverse. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and if it breaks the neckline, it will move the distance of the head. That distance there, that will take us like this. And that is playing out right now. You can kind of see that there's an inverse head and shoulders here. You've got shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's confirmed that last shoulder with volume. You can see here the volume confirmed. Volume is how much buying and selling is happening on Bitcoin. I teach you all of this in the crypto mastercourse. So if you haven't taken a trade yet, it looks like, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to break out here. So I'd be going long here. Let's clean up these previous line down here. We don't need that anymore. We don't need this one anymore. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to break out here. So I would go long with a very tight stop loss, and the target being the first big resistance, which will be here, 16,649. It's a 7.34 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $12 to make $89 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $890. I'm using 20x leverage at the moment, so that's around 890 times 2. So that's about $1,800 of profits. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin right now. My trade is already active, and that trade is already set. I've already set my trade previously, so it's already active, but you can set it on Bybit. You can take the crypto mastercourse to learn how to set trades if you don't know yet. So that's on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum now. We're going to Ethereum, and I did technicals before on the total market. Ethereum also looking like going to break out just on first glance. You can see here that it's moving up and that it's testing again this neckline. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle, broke to the upside. This is the trade that I took yesterday, and it's already active. It was already set and then activated, and now it's in the profits on Ethereum. Let's see where I would set. So this one already broke out this symmetrical triangle. But I'm seeing the same thing. You see it as well. Inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. If that breaks the neckline, we can break to the upside, the base, the distance of this head, which if that plays out will be taking us to around this distance here. Target exactly on that resistance line. Look at that, exactly on that resistance line here, 1,234. So I'd be going long on Ethereum here as well if you haven't taken the trade yet. Opening the trade here, stop loss just underneath, very little risk because you don't need to take much risk, which allows you to have high leverage trade if you don't take much risk. Never risk more than 2% of your capital on any one trade. That's the trade I would take, risking $3.88 to make $36 per Ethereum without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $360 profits. With 20x leverage, that's almost 360 times 2, it's almost $750 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. It's opening the trade, and you set the trade from the beginning. Always set your trades from the beginning. Opening the trade at 1196, stop loss is this red one at 1192, and take profit up here at 1232. And you would just set that same trade as I showed you in previous videos. You would set that, so this trade, you can see here the take profit and the stop loss is already set on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you'd set that trade and ready to go. So that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the description down below on your phone, go down below, sign up to Bybit, you get $30,000 worth of bonus and it runs out. So make sure you sign up to get that bonus quickly. You can also buy MCRT on there. And don't forget, join my live trade alert group where I share trades when I'm not making videos. It's a free Telegram group where you can talk to other traders as well, which is beautiful. Let's see what else we've got here. Geez, guys, at this point, if you haven't taken the crypto master course, you are losing money. I went all in at 30K, just sold this morning, made 4 million. Thanks, James. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from videos. Thank you, James. Thank you. I haven't. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James with his expertise. Taking his master course is a must. I've made 1 million in the past 5 months because of him. Thanks, James, for your great efforts. And you can just see I've got thousands and thousands of comments. I've made hundreds of millionaires, which is beautiful. So if you're doing these trades and you haven't taken the crypto master course, make sure you take the course. The link is down below, jamescryptoguru.com, to learn actually what I'm doing. If you don't take the course, it's very difficult to understand what I'm doing. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Have an amazing New Year's. And if you want, share down below your goals for 2023. Share your goals and get them done. Read them every day. You're only responsible for your life. No one else is responsible for your life, and you can achieve whatever you want in life. You can do whatever you want. Write down your goals and spend an hour every day at the same time every day working to achieve those goals. And if you focus, if you do it every day, slowly, your goals will come into reality. Another piece of advice from me is watch what you think every day. Watch what you think and what you speak. If you're speaking negatively about your health, about your money, about your abundance, about your life, then slowly you're going to create a world around you of negativity. Make sure you only speak and think what you want to have happen. Make sure you only speak and think what you want to have happen. Make sure you only speak and think what you want to have happen. And yes, that means you can't joke about your life in a negative way. That means you got to actually watch what you think and what you speak all the time. And it's really, listen to me about this. Be careful what you think and you speak, and whatever you think and speak will happen in your life over time. Thank you for watching, everyone. Love you all. Have an amazing New Year, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.